No, you got a cool nose.
I got a big nose.
You got a big nose, but you got a nose that knows, you know?
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
You should never ask someone their age, but really, why would someone get offended by their age? I mean, if life is eternal, then it's just another notch. It's just another notch.
I think it's because a lot of times people are uncomfortable with the way they're physical.
Right.
You know, a person say they're not photogenic.
With me, you said, keep it going for Billy Bear. And then you leaned in, you were like, you're gonna be a big star. That's what you said.
And I meant it. You want to know
Why
what?
you ain't been to my house and seen? I got a massive aquarium.
Catering cart. Remember to...
Yeah. Well, you got...
With the circus, actually. I wasn't very athletically inclined, but...
We're locked down with 5 kids. We're here on Long Island. You know this area.
Have you ever...
How to live their life. You know, honey.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to...
Killing it,
My show.